Hey guys, it's Kirby Kwan Jr. back at Crunch TV right here at Fan Expo 2021 limited edition. And right now I'm chilling with some breakout citizens from Arkham Asylum right here. We got Scarecrow going on with the Poison Ivy. So, tell us, how's it been so far at Fan Expo this year?
A little warm.
Really good. How about you? How are you doing today?
Very good.
Very good. We got really good and very good, and I'm just doing okay, a little bit too sweaty. But jokes aside, let us know. It's been 2 years since we had a convention here in Toronto. What is the thing that you miss the most about coming back to conventions?
This isn't too bad. I like it. I like the smaller convention. It feels a little bit more open.
Right.
I do miss the crowds and getting pictures taken, though.
And for you as well?
Same here. I miss dressing up. I miss making new friends. I'm here with my dad, so I'm happy.
Dope. So what do you guys think is the most important piece of advice you can give to new cosplayers and convention goers that are up and coming?
Just give it your best shot and get out there.
Have fun and make new friends.
There you go. It's all about the community here at Toronto and the convention scene. Don't forget to follow us here at Crunch TV at Instagram and Facebook and YouTube as well. Don't forget, guys, if you could dream it, you can make it and you can become it. Have a good day.